In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account permanently in 2021. This works on both Android and iPhone, so just follow the steps I'm taking. First, you want to open up your TikTok app. Next step would be to click your profile icon, which says Me in the bottom right. Now you're on your profile. In order to delete this, you want to click the three dots in the top right. You're now in the Settings and Privacy menu. Now hit Manage Account at the top. And at the very bottom, you can see switch to personal account, switch to business account, and delete account, which we want to do. We want to delete our TikTok account. Click that, so it says delete account. If you delete your account, you will be no longer able to log in to TikTok with that account. You will lose access to any videos you've posted. You will not be able to get a refund on any items you've purchased. The important part is your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to public. After 30 days, your account will be then deleted permanently. Do you want to continue? To delete, click continue. You now want to enter your password and click delete account. Once you do that, your account will be deactivated and you can just delete the TikTok app and never log into this account again. After 30 days, it will be gone. If you do log back in, there will be a screen saying account deactivated, and there will be a button that says reactivate. If you click that, your account will be reactivated and it's the same as before. If you don't do that, your account will be gone and permanently deleted if you keep off that account for 30 days. That's how to delete TikTok account permanently in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.